Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix YouTube TV buffering problems. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and check your Wi-Fi. You're gonna see the Wi-Fi logo right here. Make sure to restart it first, and then if you're still facing that issue, just go ahead and change the network in order to get a better connection. Now what you're gonna do next, just go ahead and click the settings here next to the subtitles, right? And then you're going to be able to see the quality. Make sure to lower the quality a little bit in order to get a better in order to view the video even better, right? Or even smoother. Now what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click the three bars at the top, right? And then you're going to go ahead to the last option, which is settings. You're going to be able to see the settings from here. Right, go ahead and make sure to click the one that I highlighted, right, the privacy and security, and then you're gonna just go ahead and click delete browsing data, and then you're gonna just go ahead and clear the cookies and other site data, right, and the cached images and files, and then you're gonna hit delete, and that should fix the YouTube TV buffering. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.